Happy holidays, everyone. I'm Jeremy Hritz, owner of Courage Pays Better Than Fear Trading. And before I became a full-time trader and investor, I had nearly 20 years in education as a high school principal and a teacher. And teaching complex ideas in a simple yet structured way is what I do. And on January 5th, I'm teaching a free 4-day live trading called the new Year Wealth Accelerator. And it's designed to help everyday people get a practical, clear understanding of how the stock market actually works. Over 4 days, I will walk you through market structure, investing foundations, swing trading concepts, and smart risk practices, all in a real-world, no hype, absolutely none type of way. And you can actually apply this in your everyday life. So if you want to start 2026 with clarity, confidence, and a solid financial foundation, use the link to save your spot. I'd love to have you join me.